You step in, I lose my grip. Brown skin glow, sweet like this. One look in her.
Because I was about to ask you, like, when you just started rafting, did your arms really hurt?
Well, yeah. The first time I started, like, I taking back the raft upstream. Takes me like maybe like 2 days to bring it back up.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that
Wow.
is the first time that I started, and then I get tired and I leave it,
Oh,
and then come back the other day, you know.
okay. And so now it takes roughly 5 hours, you said?
Yeah.
Wow. So how many trips do you do in a day?
Well, let me just keep doing it like 2 times a day.
2 times.
Yeah. So sometimes for 2 weeks you only get like 1.
Wow.
I'm slow, yeah.
And it's so beautiful. So this is rafting at Rio Grande, Portland, Jamaica. If ever you visit Jamaica.
Sometimes we even do this at night in the moonlight.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
I don't know if I'll do the night.
We do the moonlight tour, you know.
Okay.
Full moon.
That's beautiful. So what time do you start?
Well,
For
soon as
that?
the moon comes up.
Okay.
Sometime like 7 o'clock in the night.
Wow.
Hello.
Good day.
I want one of those Dutch pots to take back to Paris. Yes, video. What's on the menu? Hi, Miss Belinda. Who's Belinda? Which one is Belinda? Miss Belinda is in the back. Hi, Miss Belinda. Belinda looks just like her picture. How are you?
Is it? Yeah, man.
What's on the menu? Yes, man.
Yeah, man. That me I talk about.
You can't fry some of my breadfruit.
So how long have you been doing this, Miss Belinda?
Where them they go? In the aisle.
And you were always right here?
My mommy used to be here, but she used to first she used to be right here, and then she left right here, and she go around the corner.
Okay. But always alongside the raft in the river? Yeah.
So the fire they come from the wood, not the fire. Tell Karen say I best this is on the net because we did ever come out and anything else.
I saying you wear that yesterday.
No, I was never gonna wear this yesterday. I was gonna wear the
That's good, thank you.
Veggies, steamed veggies.
Yes, please. That's good.
And you want mix.
Yeah.
Send me the chicken.
Yeah, that breast right there is good, yeah. Yeah, you can put the goat on the rice.
Gravy.
No, that's good. No, that's good.